In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom ribbons and quick access toolbar in PowerPoint, a skill essential for enhancing your productivity and streamlining your workflow. Let's dive right into it. First, fire up PowerPoint on your desktop. You can either open an existing presentation that you've been working on or start from scratch with a new one. This is where you can add photos, tables, and other content to your slides. Doing this preparation before customizing your ribbons will help you understand what tools you frequently use and therefore want quick access to. Now, head over to the File tab, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and then select Options from the drop-down. This will open up a new window with various settings and choices for you to explore. Stay focused on the task at hand, which is to customize the ribbon, so click on Customize Ribbon on the left side. Here's where the fun begins. To add a custom tab to your ribbon, select New Tab. This will create a blank tab that you can personalize further. Once your new tab is added, you might want to organize it with different groups for specific commands. For that, simply select your tab and then choose New Group. Don't forget to make it your own by renaming it. Select the tab or group you just created, click Rename, and enter a meaningful name that helps you recall what's inside. Now let's populate your custom group with commands. With your custom group selected, go to the Choose Commands from list and pick the command you want to add. Click Add and voila! It's now part of your custom ribbon. If there's something you decided against or no longer need, simply select the tab or group from the right-hand list and hit Remove. Next, we're moving over to the Quick Access Toolbar. Again, in the Options window, look to the left sidebar and you'll see Quick Access Toolbar. Click on it to start customizing. To make sure you don't miss any useful commands, set your focus on the Choose Commands from drop-down and select commands not in the ribbon. Browse through until you find your preferred command, choose it, and press Add. This places it in your Quick Access Toolbar for immediate use. Unsing, it will save you those precious seconds of searching through tabs. To improve your workflow aesthetics, click the down arrow on the toolbar and select either Show Below the Ribbon or Show Above the Ribbon, depending on what suits you best. If there's a command you later find unnecessary, you can easily remove it. Right-click on the command in the toolbar and select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. And here's a neat trick for when you're working across multiple devices. You can export your customized toolbar to a file and then import it on another computer. Simply navigate through File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar, and then Import/Export to get the job done effortlessly. There you have it, your own custom ribbon and quick access toolbar in PowerPoint. Happy optimizing and enjoy the newfound efficiency in your presentations.